Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the damage closely. Look for foam, seam pulls, and how the trim sits. Once done, trim any jagged edges and clean the area with isopropyl. This removes oil-so glue bonds. You then measure and cut a backing patch that will slide behind the tier. Make sure it overlaps by at least 1 inch to distribute stress. Now position tools nearby, adhesive, applicator, and clamps, so you can work quickly while the glue remains tacky. You slide the backing patch carefully into place, centering it under the rip so the load is shared across new fabric. Then apply a thin, even coat of contact adhesive to both the underside of the dashboard skin and to the backing. Wait 1 to 2 minutes for tack. Once tacky, press the skin down onto the backing and smooth from the center toward the edges to expel air. Make sure to hold or clamp sections so the bond sets without gaps or wrinkles. You finish by trimming any excess backing and cleaning the seam line. Then let the adhesive fully cure. Follow manufacturer cure time to regain strength. If small gaps remain, you can use a flexible vinyl filler, texture it lightly, and color match with spray or dye. If separation occurs after curing, reapply adhesive to both surfaces and clamp firmly. For large or heavily foamed areas that keep failing, you should consider a professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.